Yep. So we're out here at Tecopa Mines. Ross is having a volunteer weekend. A bunch of folks have come up to help out, build ladders, dig out access. A lot of fun, great volunteers. Let's go see what's going on up there. Hey folks, it's Ross, the one-legged miner out here at Tecopa Mines, and this is our second annual volunteer work day down here at the mines. And you can see behind me we're running a new ladder down the Columbia shaft here, and by the time this is done it'll be laddered down to the 265-foot level. We're already off working the 165, digging that out, and we're getting a lot of other good things done out here. So fantastic crews come out to volunteer and help this weekend. The weather's been great for camping, and we're having a lot of fun. Some familiar faces. Anytime Joanne comes out, of course, it just puts a smile on everybody's face, and couldn't have a better time out here. So. And your channel is? Tecopa Mines at youtube.com.
Hi, I'm Pat, and I'm down here at Tecopa Mines helping out this weekend on the work weekend. And so far, it was my project to dig up a bunch of these fuse spools. So far, we've dug up, I think, 19 or 20 of them, with another at least 15 to go. So if you want to come out and play in the dirt, this is the place to do it.
And this is mine Jeep. It's going to need a lot of work, needs new tires, wiring. Don't know anything about the engine, but pretty cool.
Hello, Outdoor Adventure TV. My name is Adam Harvey. I discovered the mines out here back in the late 90s, taking an English class, writing about something controversial, and discovered this group called California Mine Explorers. And they invited me out here to explore mines with them, and then every year we were out here exploring. Back in the day, I don't think there was any place that I didn't really go. This year, I brought my son out with me. He really wanted to explore some mines, saw something on YouTube. Took him some mines near our house, only to find animal sacrifices, altars, and candles still burning, so we decided to backtrack. But my son is having the time of his life. He's exploring mines, discovered a scorpion. We've put up fences and cleared out some tunnels, and just having a blast.
Hi, your name is?
𝐬𝐿𝐿.
What you doing out here?
Exploring mines.
Is it fun?
Yes.
Tell me a little bit about it. What have you been doing?
Climbing up ladders and helping to fix the mines to make them more clear for more visitors to come.
Well, thank you for that, because you know what? That's why all of us are out here. We're trying to make it nicer for everyone. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Oh, you've done 4 times today? Wow.
No, twice today. So that makes it 6 over the last few days. Yeah.
Ooh, that's some serious work.
I know.
Are you taking the ladder down?
No, we've got a whole work detail digging out and clearing access into the rest of the tunnel.
Oh, okay.
This is 2 separate work parties.
2 separate things going on.
Okay, because I just got, obviously we just came in a little bit late, so we didn't see the original party come down, and I didn't realize there was a second group already
Well, we've
down
been
and working.
Linda and I have been working
A couple
for
of days
the
now.
Wow.
last few days building access into 165, and we want to get back in there and clear some of
There's
the...
a lot of material has to be moved before the ladders are set.
Working our way down. We're going to stage a bunch of ladder work down here. So we got a small crew working down.
Give us, maybe you take the drill so at least you've got one hand. Thank you. At least you'll be waving your time to do. Yeah.
Whee! I'm falling.
I've I pass it to you upside down, or is that all right?
No, this will work just like that.
Ready?
Yep.
So talk to me, Tony, what are we doing?
Getting very hot and sweaty. Yes. We're continuous installing these ladders all the way down this incline. I don't actually know how far it is, but we've got a way to go by the looks of it. And there's a second job clearing this up here as well, so
Okay.
got the two works going on.
So while you guys are doing this, I'm gonna run up and say hi to the other work party.
Are you going to run up? That's
Yeah.
impressive.
Hey, well, give us the camera.
I'll be out of your way in 2 seconds.
Hi, I'm Tony. We're out here at Tecopa Mines. I live in Fullerton. We're out here just helping Ross around the mines, but I'm an engineer with 𝐬𝐻 doing medical device development, but I also have a side business doing parts and accessories for Jeeps, mostly air up and air down systems for off-roading. And then this is my partner.
I'm Marcy, and I am his partner for many, many years. Don't be doing that. But I work for a steel company, Reliance Steel and Aluminum, and I just absolutely love going into mines. I love exploring. This is
Just adventure.
This is what we do. Our friends think
Yeah.
we're absolutely nuts that we do this.
Yes,
we
they do.
can't get any friends to join us, so we're here and we're supporting Ross with this adventure and love it.
Yep.
Up, here's Max and Tony. Making sure the ladders don't go anywhere.
All those ladders in place.
And what do we got going here?
Oh, we got some pulled pork. Just what you need, before you do some hard work throwing ladders down an old abandoned mine shaft.
Yeah, just nail some pulled pork.
Yep. Pulled pork, King Hawaiian buns,
Now all we need is
and
beans
potato
so we can
salad.
fit
I do have
like
a can
miner.
of beans. I have a can of beans just in case.
We just don't want Jeff William beans.
Yeah.
Yes. For those flying horses.
Does it launch them or does it shred them through?
You gotta give them a good, knock them out or you give them a good stomp.
So my name is 𝐬𝐻𝐸 Drenfold. Been coming out here for, oh man, it's been almost a decade. And I met Big Boss Ross when he first purchased the property. Came out, met him, helped him out with a little bit of stuff from around the area. Came out, brought him a crucible on this trip, and just here to help him build ladders, work on the mines, just have a good time.
Yeah, I'm Rudy. We work together. I'm pretty new to mining, but I find it super interesting. And he told me about this volunteer thing, and I said, yeah, that sounds like a pretty good time. So, here to help build ladders.
Bill will take them down and stack them at the bottom of it.
They're heating their lunch up.
It's not burner. We still got work to do tomorrow too, so let's save some for tomorrow. Building the rest of the ladders and taking those to Warrior, which will actually be, one, it will be more work, but at least we'll be hauling through the cool tunnels. So.
Oh, hi, I'm Max. I'm out here just hanging out with Joanne and Tony. Come out here to help Ross at the Tecopa Mines here. Gonna build some ladders and hang out with some folks that are like-minded and make the mine nice so he could bring guests out here.
We're carrying on from what we were doing yesterday.
Yeah.
These guys were just like a factory making ladders. You wouldn't believe it. It's like a conveyor belt of ladders just piling out. Installing them down into the shafts and helping out whatever's needed to make the place more accessible and more fun for people.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll see where we're needed and go and have some fun.
Do you have any wise words to the camera?
Any wise words? There's no bugs down here.
Oh, and who is this? It is Mad Max.
How's it going, YouTube? Getting my
a yearly workout. You can do this more often.
I'm doing the same thing, man. It's kicking my butt climbing up this ladder.
I watched your video when you went to the Bristol mine. That's like one of my bucket list places to go, but the place looks massive inside.
It is. Yeah. And the mills and stuff, everything is.
That's what I want.
Yeah. I love that stuff.
Yeah. That's fantastic. Well, you're an amazing lady being able to rope in those places. I don't know how to do that stuff, but I imagine it takes a lot of strength that I don't have.
Actually, it doesn't take as much strength. What it does take is a lot of technique and just some endurance. God.
Oh yeah, yeah, he was getting you.
Yeah, he's
gone now. He's scared him.
Darn.
All right, we gotta get moving.
Is that Tony behind me?
Probably.
Holy, there's a traffic jam.
It's the YouTube traffic jam. Everybody's gonna get their couple minutes online.
Oh. Bristol mine. I'm trying to remember.
𝐸𝐻.
𝐸𝐻. Oh, okay. I must have been in, yeah, I've been in there with Jeff. Yeah, that's right. That's where he did some of his hard rock stuff. Yeah, okay. I remember now. Oh.
Yeah, don't let the ladder go faster than you are.
You know, it's easy going down. It's just coming up.
It's kicking my butt. That's why I'm taking a break.
This is like my fourth ladder run.
Tony, did you never learn?
What could possibly go wrong?
Yeah,
what could possibly go wrong?
There's virtually nothing that could go wrong in this picture.
Surfing.
It's ladder surfing.
God, you just couldn't make this much progress in,
man,
in a month as they do this weekend.
The ladder's going in so quick down there. I'm gonna get you, Max. I'm gonna stand on your ladder.
I'll let it go.
I'm gonna ride it down.
Shell's in. I think so.
Hi, buddy. This is Chloe. Hi, Chloe.
You want to pick?
Yeah. So you guys have been busy, huh?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
When you grab a pick.
Can you slide out of your way?
You just come in here and take a look at that. That's where we're going to be working right there.
Okay.
Just watch out for that overhanging rock.
Yeah, I could see where this is going to be a bit of work.
Oh, yeah.
So Linda and Tim have been busting butt opening this up, and it's just massive rocks, tons of dirt. Tim's on one side, Linda's on the other, and they're digging to the middle. It's hard work, but how satisfying is it? This is an area that's been unsafe and more or less lost from the explorers, and now
It's a time capsule being reopened.
yeah.
No question, where did I put that?
Beans. Let's see, what's a standard railroad bean bag, guaranteed by so and so.
Oh, railroad bean bag.
Not just any bean bag, a railroad bean bag.